Proper hole preparation is vital to any anchor installation. Follow the following steps regardless of what type of anchor is being installed.
Prior to any drilling of holes, ensure that all holes are measured and spaced correctly according to the specifications. If you are unsure of the correct measurements, please refer to the Simpson catalog. Failure to comply with the correct anchor and/or edge spacing can result in load reduction. Be sure to evacuate as much dust as possible during the drilling to prevent overheating your drill bits. Check your depth with a gauge. Drill the hole to the specified diameter and depth listed either in the Simpson Anchor Systems catalog or on the anchor packaging. Each anchor will list the correct diameter and depth needed for proper installation. In some cases, the requirements may be specified on the engineering plans. Blow all dust from the hole by using oil-free compressed air for a minimum of 4 seconds. Be sure to use proper eye protection before blowing out the dust. Blow from the bottom of the hole to expel as much dust as possible. Brush the hole with a nylon brush for a minimum of 4 cycles. Don't use a steel wire brush, as this may cause the brush to leave remnants behind and result in improper hole cleaning. Blow the remaining dust from the hole by using oil-free compressed air for a minimum of 4 seconds at 80 psi. If these steps have not been followed before any anchor or adhesive is installed, the hole must be flushed out with clean water until the hole is completely free of any residue.
Simpson offers several different adhesive formulations for different applications. However, the basic installation procedures are the same for each.
Check the expiration date on the product label. Do not use an expired product. The adhesive product is usable until the end of the printed expiration month. Open the cartridge per the package instructions. Attach the proper SST nozzle to the top of the open cartridge. Do not modify the nozzle. Place the cartridge into the dispensing tool. Dispense some adhesive off to the side until the adhesive is properly mixed. When properly mixed, the adhesive will have a uniform color. For dry and damp hole conditions, use the following steps. Fill the hole half to 2/3 full, starting from the bottom of the hole to prevent air pockets. Withdraw the nozzle as the hole fills up. Depending on the type of tool you are using, pull back on the plunger, push forward on the trigger, or press the thumb release to release the pressure and stop the flow of the adhesive. Insert a clean oil-free anchor rod, turning it slowly counterclockwise until the anchor contacts the bottom of the hole or is at the appropriate depth. The adhesive should be at least level with the surface and have no empty space around the rod. Do not disturb the anchor until it is fully cured. Please see the cure schedule for each specific adhesive formula. For wet holes, or holes filled with water, you must be sure that the adhesive can be installed in this condition. And if so, what changes to the cure schedule or capacity may occur? If the hole is filled with water, dispense epoxy as instructed, and the water will displace itself as epoxy fills the hole. This can only be done if all the proper hole preparations have been completed. For overhead applications, use the adhesive retaining caps to prevent the adhesive from running out of the hole. Insert the cap into the hole and be sure it is securely in place. Insert the end of the nozzle through the cap and inject the adhesive into the cavity. Stop the flow of adhesive in the manner previously mentioned and gently pull the nozzle from the hole without removing the retaining cap. Insert the anchor rod through the hole in the retaining cap, slowly turning it counterclockwise. Allow the anchor to cure undisturbed.